Welcome. I'm here to talk about growing your business. I'm talking about helping you get the funding you need when you need it. That's called a plan strategy. Come to understand up front from day one that eventually I'm going to grow and scale my business to where I want to go based on my mission statement, my vision statement. Those are the things that's going to guide me and carry me to where I'm trying to get to because I've written out what my mission is. I've written out what my vision is. And this here ties into me being able to get access to the funding I need when I need it, which means I need to plan up front from day one on what that looks like, what that's going to take, and what that's going to allow me to be able to do to get to the vision, which is connected to the mission, which is going to allow me to get to the vision. So if you want to be able to grow and scale your business by learning how to leverage business credit, we have a proven system. I'm a partner with Credit Suite. See, a lot of things that's going on in the industry on how people market and advertise their products and services, I'm opposite of that. I'm front, I'm transparent, I'm honest, I'm a real person. I give you access to my email address, website, telephone number. We can talk, we can chat, we can get to know one another, we can get to connect one another, we get to find out what we got in common, a common ground, so we can get together and eventually hopefully do business with you. And if I can't do nothing to help you and educate you on letting you know what's real out here versus what's fake, I'm grateful to be able to do that. So my goal is to position myself in the marketplace. And the marketplace for me is the online space as a trusted advisor and a valuable resource to the new person that's looking to get started in this business journey. But once they get started, by knowing they're gonna need to be able to get the funding and capital they need as they get close to growing and scaling and moving and growing and being able to take advantage of other opportunities out here by having access to capital when they need it. And the way you get access to capital when you need it is you get started from day one. You get your foundation set. Your foundation set is your business name, your business address, your business phone number, your 411 listing, your professional email and website, your business accounts, your merchant accounts. That's your foundational piece. All those things must line up on everything that you do as far as business. So your business account, your Secretary of State account, your merchant accounts, your business accounts, any account you set up strictly for business should have that information on it. Bottom line, it should be congruent on everything. So if you setting up a DocuSign account for your business name, your address, that phone number, all the information they let you put on there to create your account with, you want to make sure it's the same across the board everywhere. So when they start to look you up and start to research you, they start to see that you on Facebook. They start to see that you're on LinkedIn. They start to see that you got some online presence out here that show you being legit on some level. And so that's the main reason why a lot of small businesses get denied for funding because their foundation don't it's not even in place. Once you get the foundation in place, and then we take you through the step by step on building business credit, and at the same time let you know the personal credit do play a role because they're gonna help maximize your terms and conditions on the best rates and the best terms for the products that you're gonna apply for. Then you want to get both of those things. And when they come together as one, it's a powerhouse. It's a powerhouse to have a great personal credit profile and score already established, and also a business credit score and profile established, which takes time to do both. But the point is, from starting from day one, that's your goal, that's your mission to put these things in place. So as your business starts to grow, your business starts to groove and move and help people, and you start to see opportunities to expand and add other income streams to it that needs financing, then you're able to reach out and get the financing you need because you strategically position yourself on the personal side as well as the business credit side as one to get the financing and capital you need when you need it. Because there's so many different ways to get business financing for your business, especially if you're already making money. And then on the personal side, if your personal credit profile and score is tight, you get to leverage that as well. Those two combined is a powerhouse for the whatever funding you're going to need to grow and scale your business and take advantage of opportunities down the road. You might decide you got two or three other business models you want to implement. Don't take funding for that. And so one by one, as you get these business entities up and running and successful, you can do the same for the next business. Build out the business credit profile for that next business. Have the personal credit score tag that's going to help you be a powerhouse for everything you're trying to do as far as business, as far as trying to help people, as far as trying to make an impact in the lives of others. I'm grateful to be able to make a living, that I'm making an impact in the lives of other people who I'm trying to help them to get to where they're trying to go with the dream and the vision and the goals they have inside their businesses. I'm grateful to be able to do that. After 23 years of being in the tax city county industry, I've shifted by adding this here opportunity because I saw it as an opportunity to help other people on a deeper level get access to the funding they need when they need it by partnering with Credit Suite. CreditSuite.com. Go check us out. If you want to connect with a real person, hit me up at 773-782-1320. Text me to that number. We can talk, we can chat, we can get to know one another, and you get to build a relationship with somebody who's real about how we help small businesses learn how to leverage, build a business credit, and financing to grow and scale their business. And I'll see you in my next video.